Hey, welcome everybody to week one of BA 504. I know I tried to get a video up yesterday and I apologize that it did not work. Or the sound didn't work. So we're going to try something a little differently. I'm working once again from home. Actually had surgery today, so I apologize. My mouth is probably not the best in the world right now, or my voice is probably not the best in the world. And so I apologize for that. So anyway, here we go. Let me dive into what we're going to do here. Again, I'm trying a new technology with Google, trying that. So we'll see how it goes. This is our course home site. And as we go through the week, let me just highlight a couple items here. As you go through, you're going to find the syllabus right here. You're going to find my contact information, my email address, and my texting number. Probably the best way to get in touch with me is going to be email. But if you do have to have an emergency, you can text me and I will get back to you probably within a couple hours, but with email, definitely within 24. I know some instructors on their websites here, they will have something called the instructor office. I do not do that simply because I don't know when anybody posts there. The system doesn't let me know. And then it can be like up to 48 hours at times. And it's just not a really good way for me to connect with you. If you do want to send an email through the system, you can do that right here. Click email and then just choose my name and add it. And you can do that as well, just really quickly. Once again, I apologize. I know right now, again, with surgery I had today, my voice is not the most clear, so I apologize for that. Under instructor information, once again, you're going to find my contact information there. So there's lots of ways to get connected with me. As you go through this, you're going to find lots of information. We do not have a textbook. We're using a course pack with lots of different case studies that we're going to use throughout the term. As you go through, you also see the course requirements, all this fun stuff. There's going to be 3 cases. Please do the introductions. The introductions are going to count for 5% of the grade, and that's more of an attendance thing. You have the discussion information, weekly reflections. This is no longer a separate form. Instead, what I've done is it's actually a quiz type thing here. You can just click on that and it will open and you'll be all set to go. There we go. Just answer the questions and you're going to be fine. Assigned reading. This is where you'll find what you're going to read this week. There are some things from the UIU library, the document sharing areas, and the Webliography. The Webliography is right here, and you have access there. And then once again, you get to the library resources. I'm trying to think other things really quickly. Again, I apologize just with for the first video not working. I had a lot more detail in here, and right now I'm just trying to get this introduction done. Let me just share a couple quick things. Number one, I'm redoing the entire course right now. And as I'm redoing the entire course, it's going to take me a few days to get, or up to a week, to get all the other content in the other weeks built in. So I do, as we've switched all the books and we've switched all the information in here. So I'm just rebuilding it for everybody to make it more of a relevant type course and updated and everything else. Every week you're going to have the marketing plan project, so just work through that. You're going to have the discussion questions. Please respond at least to you're going to have your original response, and then respond to 2 of your colleagues for each question. So this week where you have the 3 questions, that means you'll have your original response, so that's 3, 2 responses to your colleagues for each question, so that's an additional 6, so you have a total of 9 responses this week. Trying to think of anything else again quickly. With discussion questions, go deep into the information. I'm looking for more than just a quick overview. go deep into everything and discuss it, look at it from a variety of areas, and then share your thoughts when you come back. Make sure that it's a discussion, so you're asking questions and you're pushing the whole thought process further. So you're taking it to a new level. Don't just say, "Hey, great ideas," and everything else. Take it to the next level. And once again, the big thing, if you do have questions for me, please just send me an email or text message. That's going to be the best way to get in touch with me. Once again, I am so sorry that the first video did not work. I'll try and get another one done earlier next week, going more in depth on the syllabus, on the website and everything else. Just with, again, the surgery today, my mouth's a little swollen and it's hard to talk. So please let me know whatever I can do. I'm here to help you, and I want to see you be successful. And I look forward to working with you throughout the term. Have a great evening.